Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Marco Tempest.
Good evening. Hello, everyone. Magicians have always stayed ahead of the technology curve. Their illusions accomplish what technology cannot. But what happens when the technology of the day seems almost magical? What happens if you can do this? 100 years ago, that would have been the magic of levitation. Is it possible to create illusions in a world where technology makes anything possible? Stay. If you know how the trick is done, where is the illusion? Here, boy. Good boy. He can do a trick. Watch. Up. As a magician, I've always known that the illusion is in the mind of the beholder. Once upon a time, this would have been magic. Today, it is a trick of technology. But still, our imagination is more powerful than our reasoning. And it's easy to attribute personalities to machines. Take a closer look. They are quadcopters, but they are more than mechanical flying machines. They analyze the environment around them and react to everything I do. Advanced algorithms allow these autonomous machines to fly in close formation, aware of each other, aware of me. Mathematics that can be mistaken for intelligence, and intelligence for personality. Anthropomorphism, that's the illusion. An illusion created by technology and embroidered by our imagination. To become an intelligent, flying robot. A machine that appears to be alive. I think he wants to say hello. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.
Hello everyone. For a long time now I've been interested in the way magicians use technology to create illusions. But the truth is that the secret behind many illusions is technology. The challenge for magicians is to hide it. Today I'd like to show you something I developed recently that dives into that question on how magicians create magic in a technological age. So here we go. Magicians have always stayed ahead of the technology curve. Their illusions accomplish what technology cannot. But what happens when the technology of the day seems almost magical? What happens when you can do this? A 100 years ago, that would have been the magic of levitation. Is it possible to create illusions in a world where technology makes anything possible? Jump! Once upon a time, that would have been magic. Today, it is a trick of technology. But still, our imagination is more powerful than our reasoning, and it's easy to attribute personality to machines. They are quadcopters, but they are more than mechanical flying machines. They analyze the environment around them and react to everything I do. Advanced algorithms allow these autonomous machines to fly in close formation, aware of each other, aware of me. Mathematics that can be mistaken for intelligence, and intelligence for personality. Anthropomorphism, that's the illusion. An illusion created by technology and embroidered by our imagination to become an intelligent flying robot, a machine that appears to be alive. I think they said hello. That's it. Guys, time to go home. Over here. Come on. Come on, everybody. Quickly. You can all fit in there. A little bit to the left. I know it's a tight squeeze. Come on. Everybody. There you go. Well, I want to thank my technology partners, Parrot and Tronisos, for making this presentation possible. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Trending times, how technology has changed how we do business at planning and zoning. The department now uses tools that were not even available a few years ago to understand what is happening in the county. Here's a drone view of the courthouse as it is being built, showing the initial site and as the building is being raised. This information assists in the county being compliant with the town's rules and documents a major project in the county. This is possible with the drone men, Sam Stanton and Tyler Peace from GIS. The Permit Division of Planning and Zoning is using QAC maps to assist citizens and their agents with quickly and efficiently applying for permits without the need for additional expense of hiring surveyors or taking the time to measure for sheds, buffer plantings, landscaping, and other permit needs. The availability of Queen Anne's County maps and the tools in the platform have made the department more efficient in reviewing and approving permits. Large properties with major operations occurring on them, such as mining, have required the county to hire surveyors to accurately assess the size of the disturbance and to determine whether violations have come into compliance. Understanding how a building will be placed on a site and viewing that building from all vantage points was not possible without a cherry picker. The GIS staff working with the planning department developed a 3D model of the proposed Denny's restaurant in Graysonville. This technology allowed the Planning Commission to view how the proposed restaurant would appear on the site and inspired many changes to the layout and access to improve both form and function of the building. Department of Planning and Zoning, in partnership with our sister agencies of Information Technology, GIS, Public Works, and QAC TV, will continue to create the future while being mindful of the county's past. For further information concerning activities of the Department of Planning and Zoning, please go to qac.org, the website for the county, and click on Planning and Zoning.